Hi y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day down here in South Mississippi. It's trying to rain on us. We got Clayton and Jake with us. We're gonna try to put the dash in the Mustang. So it's like I said, it's starting to rain on us a little bit, some heavy sprinkling. But there's the dash for the car. We're about to see if we can get her hung up here. Alright guys, we're back at y'all again today. Yesterday it got late, we got rained on. Today, me and Jake still get rained on, but the sun is out. We finally got this wire tucked under. Took us about 2-3 hours of fighting with it, fighting with the hole up here, cutting the hole bigger to get it through, but we finally got it through. And now we're about to hang the dash and get it all bolted in. So we're getting the dash put in. Got a little quick tip for you guys that maybe if you're trying to do this by yourself, or just to let you know that you're getting the dash lined up right. You got a little hole right here. There's a little pin right here on the back of the dash that slides in that hole. Then you got this little bolt right here on the bottom of the metal bracket. And there's a little slot right here that you pick the dash up and you set the dash in the slot. Alright, so we got the dash in. Now we're hooking up wires, what wires that we can hook up. Guessing, because I did not take this apart and none of this was in the car when I got it. So I'm all just trying, it's all just figuring it out as we go, seeing what goes where and whatnot.
Tracing the wiring down, huh?
Trying to make sure, you know, if the plug's the same, kind of make sure that the wire color is matching up on the plug and stuff. Just make sure that we ain't hooking nothing up. It ain't supposed to be hooked up together. I'm just getting this steering wheel in here to give us a little bit of motivation. Actually kind of make it look like a car again. Everybody needs a little self-motivation sometimes. Alright guys, so me and Jake's gonna call it a day for today. We got the dash in. We got some of the wiring hooked up. Still got to figure out where some more of the wiring goes. We got some more things that we got to get put in. But that's going to be it for today. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. On that note, y'all have a good day and a better one tomorrow.